Study about the barbiturate poisoning. It basically barbiturate. We know that its function is sedative and hypnotic at low concentration and high concentration called like hypnotic. Now, centrally acting drugs like types are long acting. It can be short acting. Long acting is phenobarbiturate. Short acting is butabarbiturate. Right now, barbiturate can be converted into active form in the liver. For example, the barbiturate in active form in liver cytochrome enzyme converted into active form. For example, primidone converted into phenobarbital, mephobarbital converted into barbital, and they are basically highly lipid soluble and they can cross the blood-brain barrier and shows the sedative and hypnotic effects. So now the symptoms, like basically phenobarbital has dose of 6 to 10 gram. Basically the fatal dose 6 to 10 gram is a fatal dose. Now symptoms, like if the small dose is given, then symptoms are basically unknown, but if higher dose are given, then it can cause it can be lethal, it can cause pupil constriction. ठीक है, इसके बाद आता है मायो maximum toxicity. Its maximum toxicity of short acting drug of barbital can be seen within the 66 within 6 hours, and for long acting the toxicity can be seen within 10 hours. Now there is not specific treatment for the barbitals such as morphine and all, but this we use gastric lavage and artificial ventilation. We can use this. General supportive measures can be taken, and we can use the alkaline dicarbon alkaline or diuretics, because alkaline, we know that barbitals are basically acidic in nature and they like get complex and they get urine out. Diuretics, because if increases the urine excretion, so with urine it comes out of the body. And we can also use hemodialysis, because in case of kidney is not functioning, so we can use hemodialysis so that we can maximize the outflow of the barbital.